son relationship quite like this one.
He told me again the other night, if you ever talk to anybody about me, I will kill you.
On September 28, 2023, this woman fled her own home because of her schizophrenic son with murderous intentions, 47-year-old Damon Hubbard. Damon had been terrorizing his mother and father's home for years during his schizophrenic episodes. He disclosed to his mother that he would kill her if she ever told anyone about him. This video, exclusively obtained by our channel, has never before been made public. When she reported her son to the local police station, he followed her here.
I mean, he was loud. He was, really intimidating. He said, do you understand me? Do you hear me? He said, I will kill you. I said, yeah, I got it. But I said, I'm leaving. Well, he followed me. And I just came here.
Little did Damon or his mother know this interaction would be the last time they see each other alive.
Okay. And so he sat behind me, right back here, for a little bit. I was sitting there trying to call somebody.
Okay.
So David finally took off, and I watched him, I think, unless he's gone now. He went across the road there, and I think he's pulled over, if he's still there.
So down this way?
Yeah. It's a gray tracks.
For 1043, she believes this vehicle is going to be parked down past the intersection of 17th and K. It's a gray Chevy Trax.
Yep. He pulled up behind me and sit there for a while. Like, nobody down there?
Well, my guys are down there looking. I don't see the vehicle right now. So, do you have somewhere to go tonight?
I can go with my sons and my other sons.
Okay.
After the officer asks if she has a place to stay, she calls her other son to come get her so she has safe shelter for the night. He now arrives at the station to come get her.
I'm asking questions because I've not dealt with this situation here, so that's why I'm asking.
Don't know if they find him. They'll arrest him.
Well, I don't know that we'll arrest him, but
Well, they better do something before I find him.
we're going to address it one way or another. I don't know what to me, there's not been a crime that's been committed because there's no protective order in place. There's nothing like that.
Why is he at your house? I mean, why is he there? He's not a resident. I don't, well, then I
Well, residence, which they
that
say.
is not his residence.
They say it is. And you're in Bedford.
That's my residence too. I've been out 20 years and I've been on vacation for 20 years, so that's my residence too. I don't want him there.
Shane, come here. Don't you leave me. I'm getting tired of this after so long.
I get it. Can you guys, you and your son, go get your husband and take him with you?
Oh, yes.
And we'll send an officer over there to stand by while you do that.
Okay.
We would just send somebody that'll park in the driveway with you, and they'll stand by till your husband gets in the car with you, and you guys are on your way that way. That way, if there's any issues, there's already somebody there.
With the plan to go get the father now in place, a police officer arrives slightly early to the family's residence to find out if Damon may have come back here.
Damon come back over here? I haven't seen him. He's not been here? Okay. Yeah, I guess your wife came on station and said that he's been giving you guys some issues with harassing and following her, and we just pulled up over here to check and see if his vehicle was here, and we just noticed the door was open, so didn't know if it was you.
Been parking out back, and I don't think.
Oh, he's been parking out back?
Yeah.
We'll go check it real quick, just make sure he didn't pull up. Yeah.
There he is right there. Stop.
Stop.
He's reaching.
Hey.
Stop.
Stop.
Stop the car now. He's reaching. Stop the car.
Stop.
Stop the car now.
Get covered.
Show me your fucking hands.
Now.
Show me your fucking
Show your hands now.
Hands.
Show your hands now.
What?
Because I fucking said so.
That's not a law.
Absolutely it is.
237. Here, I'm almost there.
Keep your hands up.
Back of the house.
Hands up!
I'm out.
Box him in.
Out of the fucking car. Out of the car.
All right, when are you on me?
Out of the car.
Out of the car! Stand by. Out of the car now!
Get out of the car!
You want me to go the other side?
No.
Because we told you to. Out of the car now before this gets worse. Get out of the car and we'll talk about it. You can get out of the car or we're gonna drag you
I've
out.
already seen him driving, so he's going to jail no matter what.
Out of the car.
He's starting it. Stop!
He's taking off pursuit.
The officers proceed to fire 14 gunshots at Damon as he continues trying to flee the scene. Damon is hit by at least one of the shots, and then we see the car run directly into a home. There is a very important reason as to why the officers felt the need to open fire. More on that very soon.
Stop, 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 stop! Hey, get back behind the car! Get back behind the car! Tom, get back behind the car! I'm grabbing that shield! Give me one!
I'm with you, I'm with you. Hey. I'm on you. He's down.
Officers began to render aid to Damon and transported him to a nearby hospital where he would succumb to his injuries. In total, 3 officers fired their duty weapons and all were placed on administrative leave. After further analysis of both the body cam footage and Damon's toxicology reports, the body cam footage shows that Damon was accelerating the car in the direction of an officer, putting his life in danger. In addition, the toxicology reports indicated there was presence of amphetamine, and it also revealed that Damon's blood alcohol level was 0.097%, well above the legal limit. The 3 officers have since returned to work, and Damon's family has made no further comments on the situation. The county prosecutor, Samuel Arp II, determined